Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all doing fine. This is my second YouTube video. Require your support. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. As you can see, I'm just clearing my canvas and going to click on this third icon to create the circle. I know it's not looking like a circle, but later we will fix this. For now, just fill some light pink color in it and readjust its dimensions. As you can see, I've filled the color. So after readjusting layers, I'm just creating another layer and marking this as a clipping mask. And after that, as you can see, I have clicked on the brush library, and in that I'm going to select artistic one and Aurora brushes. Aurora brushes gives us very natural texture in the trees. So as I am just resizing the brush and creating a single tree. Similarly, we'll be creating another one. So I'm just fast forwarding this particular clip so that you will be having all the trees. So after creating the trees, it's time to create beautiful pink sky full of color blending. I know pink color is coming over the trees, but no issue. Later we will just put the tree layer over the sky layer. For now, just focus on creating the circles with blending. Don't give much attention to the shape, as this will give a random beautiful natural texture to the sky. So now putting the sky layer beneath the tree layer so that trees are visible very clearly. Now applying some smudging over a sky layer, selecting soft airbrush, readjusting its size. Smudging plays an important role to remove the sharpness that we have created with medium airbrush for having some color blending in the sky. As you can see, sky is looking more clear and natural to us. We will continue this smudging for a while to get a proper look. A night sky without moon and star not look very much good. So adding some stars here with the help of glimmer kind of brushes available in Luminance brush library, and picking up the brightest white color here, readjusting the size of glimmer brush After selecting studio pen brush in the inking brush library, I am going to create a circle. Putting the white color here. As you can see, we have our moon, but this moon doesn't look very natural to us because glow is not there. Glow is there, but not around its edges. So I'll be creating a duplicate layer here and adding some Gaussian blur in that particular layer. Now you can see now our moon is glowing very nicely. So we have to create some shades over the trees to look our painting very natural. So adding a bright light over the side of the tree which are pointing towards moon. After adding sign to all the trees and converting our eclipse to circle, now I am done with my artwork. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and happy painting. See you in the next video. Bye bye.